Myself Meera Panja.
My name is Menas Panja. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. On this day we celebrate the birth of Lord Jesus Christ.
Christmas is the festival of love, happiness and care. It is about sharing and helping the needy.
All houses and churches are themed before Christmas. They are beautifully decorated with flowers for Christmas celebrations. People also decorate Christmas tree at their homes with colorful balls, ribbons and red socks. They distribute gifts and sing Christmas carols on the occasion. Christians visit the church and light the candles to worship Lord Jesus Christ.
They eat special dinner called the feast and Christmas cake.
Kids love Christmas because they get lots of gifts from Santa Claus who visits their home at midnight.
Today we will make drawings related to Christmas. For that we require art sheet, pencil, black sketch pen and crayons. First of all we will draw Christmas tree. For that we will draw 3 triangles like this. Draw 2 standing lines in the middle. And join with the slipping line. Draw a star on the top and small circles like this. Our Christmas tree is ready. Now we will draw Santa Claus. First we will draw cap like this. Now draw eyes, nose, mustache, mouth and beard. For jingle bells, we will draw 2 inverted U and join the ends. Draw small circles like this. We will make bow above the bells. You can also draw gift boxes and stars randomly. Now with the help of black sketch pen, give outline to the images. Now we will take crayons and start coloring. See how beautiful and colorful it looks.
Christmas teaches us to practice kindness and love towards each other.
Be helpful to others by helping the needy.
Show love towards everyone.
Be kind towards others.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.